Chartnote integrates with athenahealth to simplify clinical documentation. With the Chartnote Chrome extension, you can send your notes directly into Athena in just a few clicks. No copy and paste, no extra steps. Intelligent mapping connects sections of your Chartnote note to specific fields inside Athena. That means your documentation lands exactly where it belongs. To get started, open the Chartnote Chrome extension. You'll see all your notes listed here. The extension automatically detects when Athena is open, so you're ready to begin. Click to start the initial mapping. You only need to do this once per template. On the mapping screen, your Chartnote sections appear on the left. Athena fields appear on the right. Select a section and map it to the corresponding field. You can map multiple sections into a single field if needed. And if your workflow changes, unmapping is just as easy. You don't need to map every section, only what fits your documentation style. When you're done, click Apply Mapping. Your settings are saved. From then on, transferring notes into Athena takes just one click. Fast, consistent, reliable. You can always revisit your mapping as your templates evolve. And if you want a more tailored experience while working inside Athena, there's Chartnote Companion. Companion keeps your note pinned and visible while you chart. Your note stays with you inside Athena, so you don't have to switch tabs or search for content. Insert sections with a click or a shortcut. Stay focused. Stay in flow. No tab switching, no interruptions, just charting. Intelligent mapping moves your notes into Athena seamlessly. Companion keeps them with you while you work. That's Chartnote for athenahealth, built to simplify documentation and help you focus on patient care.